Studying can feel overwhelming, especially when traditional methods like rote memorization or endless note-taking don't yield results. What if there was a new, science-backed studying method that could transform the way you learn? Welcome to the focus method, a revolutionary approach to studying smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll break down how this unique method works, why it's effective, and how you can start using it today to excel in your studies and beyond. Let's start with the problem. Most students rely on outdated study techniques that don't align with how the brain processes information. Reading textbooks repeatedly, highlighting entire pages, or cramming the night before a test might feel productive, but these methods fail to engage your brain in meaningful ways. Research shows that effective learning requires active engagement, repetition, and structure. The focus method combines all these elements into a system that guarantees better results with less effort. The focus method is built around 5 pillars: filter, organize, create, understand, and simplify. Each step in this process addresses a critical aspect of learning, ensuring that information is not just absorbed but retained and applied effectively. Here's how it works. Filter. The first step is identifying what matters most. Instead of drowning in unnecessary details, the focus method teaches you to filter information by prioritizing key concepts. For example, when studying history, focus on understanding the causes and effects of major events rather than memorizing dates. This step also involves categorizing content into need to know, nice to know, and extra tiers, saving you time and mental energy. Organize. Once you've filtered the information, it's time to organize it systematically. This involves breaking down topics into manageable chunks, using visual aids like mind maps or flowcharts, and creating a study schedule. Organization helps you see the bigger picture and ensures that you don't miss critical connections between concepts. Create. Active learning is the cornerstone of the focus method. In this step, you'll create your own study materials such as flashcards, practice questions, or even teaching notes. By rephrasing information in your own words, you reinforce your understanding and identify gaps in your knowledge. Creation is also where creativity shines. Make your study tools colorful, fun, and engaging to keep your brain stimulated. Understand. Memorization without understanding is useless. This step involves diving deep into the why behind every concept. Use analogies, real-world examples, and stories to make abstract ideas more tangible. For instance, if you're studying physics, think of momentum as a bowling ball rolling down a hill. It's easier to visualize and remember. Understanding forms the foundation of long-term retention. Simplify. Complexity is the enemy of clarity. The final step of the focus method is simplifying what you've learned. Summarize each topic in 1 or 2 sentences or create concise cheat sheets that capture the essence of your notes. This step not only helps you review quickly but also solidifies your grasp of the material. In this video, we'll guide viewers through each step with real-world examples and practical demonstrations. For instance, we'll show how a student preparing for a biology exam filters essential topics, organizes them into a mind map, creates flashcards, understands concepts using analogies, and simplifies everything into a study guide. This practical application makes the focus method easy to replicate for any subject. But what makes the focus method truly revolutionary is its adaptability. Whether you're an 8th grader struggling with algebra, a college student tackling complex theories, or a lifelong learner exploring a new hobby, this method adjusts to fit your needs. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. You'll learn how to apply the focus method to subjects ranging from math and science to literature and history, and even practical skills like coding or music. We'll also emphasize the psychological benefits of the focus method. Effective studying reduces stress, builds confidence, and fosters a growth mindset. By shifting the focus from rote memorization to meaningful learning, this method helps students enjoy the process and see studying as an opportunity rather than a chore. To conclude the video, we'll offer actionable takeaways. Viewers will learn how to implement the focus method immediately, with tips like starting small, setting realistic goals, and staying consistent. We'll also provide downloadable templates for mind maps, flashcards, and study schedules to make the process even easier. Finally, the call to action will encourage viewers to share their experiences with the focus method in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing study tips. By fostering a sense of community and collaboration, this video will not only inform but also inspire.